Okay, so in this video, we are going to learn about how to modify elements of a list, right? So we'll continue using our, let's say, numbers. We have a list, right? So we'll continue working on that. We can create any other list also. However, I just want to use to show you. Okay, so we know now how to access the first element. So the, let's say, first element of the list. So I am accessing the list by just like that, right? So this is the one. But let's say I want to modify it. Let's say I want to make it 20, right? So how can I do that? So whatever index you want to do, you just modify that. Okay, so what we are doing like that. So this is the modification basically when you are assigning a new value to that. Okay, so modify the first element of the list. Okay, so when I see numbers, so now you see instead of 1 it is 20, but this is not making sense. Let's revert it. So I'll just want it. Okay, this was by mistake I have done. So now we are reverting it back. Okay, so that is how we can access and modify the, so wherever you want to update, you can basically use that index and update that. So let's do one more action. We have a mixed list, right? So mixed list. So this none does not make any sense to me. So what I'll do instead, I'll so what I'm doing here is view the list. Okay, so we'll try to mixed list -1. I just want to, let's say, what we can keep. Let's say we can keep two value. Okay, string 2, right? So mixed list, now it holds these two value. So that's how we can modify the list, and it will start reflecting when you are doing it. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in another video.